ABB Robotics and its strategic partner RG Luma are using robotic technology to transform the production of pancakes. The solution was designed, built and installed by RG Luma to meet Honeytop's own stringent hygienic handling of food, reduced labour costs and improved health and safety levels. Honeytop's pancakes, once cooked, are placed onto a conveyor to help reduce the pancakes to room temperature. Before the pancakes reach the enclosure, a divider pushes the pancakes to either side of the central outfeed conveyor. Then operators manually check the pancakes for consistency. The pancakes are then fed into the robotic enclosure. The enclosure is split into 4 areas of operation and is comprised of 4 flex picker robots, all programming and control units, 1 central outfeed conveyor and 2 standard conveyors. The pancakes are then ready to be picked and stacked in selectable stack formations on the central outfeed conveyor. The overall system is capable of stacking in excess of 400 pancakes per minute, offering improved cycle times of 20% and an increased payload of 50%. Complementing the flex pickers is ABB's Pickmaster 3.2 software, which helps monitor progress on the line and enables quick production changes from one product to another. Integrated with the Pickmaster software are 4 gigabit Ethernet cameras mounted in front of each robot and used to locate each pancake's position on the conveyor. The robot then tracks the pancake position for accurate picking and stacking. RG Luma configured the vision software to recognize overlapping products to ensure the flex pickers are able to pick a product overlapped on top of another one. Helping Honeytop reduce its wastage, RG Luma has introduced a new buffer system. It enables the robots to keep pancakes on the buffer shelf until a short stack is identified. The stacks of pancakes are then fed out of the robotic enclosure on the central outfeed conveyor, ready to be packed and distributed. Speaking about the final solution, William Eade, director of Honeytop Specialty Foods Limited, commented, "This is our first investment in robotic automated technology, and despite some apprehension, we have not experienced one issue since the installation over 6 months ago. Turnaround time has been dramatically reduced, and the robots have enabled us to absorb a number of overheads thanks to reduced labour costs and improved productivity."